next on the item of the agenda, we are going to congratulate and commend our Philippine volleyball team. I move that we consider proposed Senate Resolution number 143, taking in consideration Philippine Senate Resolution number 146. I so move.
Any objection? Hearing none, in consideration of proposed Senate Resolution 143, taking into consideration proposed Senate Resolution 146 is in order. Secretary will read the title of the resolution.
Resolution congratulating and commending the Philippine men's national volleyball team, the Alas Pilipinas, for bringing pride and honor to the Philippines by historically ranking 19th in the performance out of 32 teams in the final standings of the Federación Internacional de Voleibol Men's World Championships 2025.
Mr. President, I move that we recognize to sponsor the measure no other than our Minority Floor Leader, Senator Alan Peter Compañero Cayetano.
Senator Alan Cayetano is recognized. The Minority Leader is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, we always pray to God for nation building. But actually, right before our eyes, yung pinakasimple po ay sports. And our Senate President, of course, is no stranger to sports, being a champion bowler and golfer din ba po, Mr. President? No? Of course, our Majority Leader is into martial arts and have supported different NSAs. Pag tinignan nyo po yung sports, kompleto eh. Teamwork, disiplina, wag mag-drugs, yung sinasabi ng mga doktor na wag masyadong maalat, wag masyadong matamis, matulog ng maaga. Every desirable trait that a parent will teach his child is taught in sports. But for many, not only years but decades, parang bang sa Olympics at sa ibang mga international competition, parang kasi mas malaki sila, kasi mas malaki ang pera nila, kasi meron silang grassroots program, kasi yung yung private sector nila grabe pumondo, no? So it's quite honor, Mr. President, for me to stand here today witnessing first the SEA Games in 2019, then the World Basketball Championships, and then now the World Men's Volleyball Championship. Of course, special thanks to the President of the Volleyball Federation, Fabio, and to Tat Suzara. But today, Mr. President, a team that not only made us proud during the SEA Games, but a team that made sure they will pleasantly surprise us. In fact, magkatabi kami ni Senator Pangilinan nung game. Hindi kami nagpapansinan masyado ni Senator Pangilinan. Magkaibigan kami pero hindi kami magkapareho ng politika. Pero nung malapit na yung points, nagtitinginan na kami at sabay na kami mag-cheer. And then nung nanalo, nagyakapang kaming dalawa. Nakita na lang namin sarili namin, nagyayakapang kaming dalawa. Then biglang may protest pala. At hindi natuloy. So, sports brings Filipinos together. You know, and it was a pleasure sitting beside you and your family, Senator Pangilinan. So, hindi ko po papakabaan, but it is just fitting that this team honored the country, that the Senate of the Philippines, through their team captain, Brian Bagunas. Brian, tayo ka naman. Usually, bawal pumalakpak, pero with your permission, Mr. President, with the permission of the body, palakpakan naman natin ang team at si Brian. And of course, Coach Angelino Frigoni. Coach, thank you very much. And because of their performance, Mr. President, and because of the successful hosting in the 2 years from now po, yun naman pong World's Women's Volleyball Championship will be held in the Philippines. And this time around, we have much more time to prepare. So I'll stop there, Mr. President. But first, Salamat sa Diyos. Pangalawa, salamat po sa fans ng volleyball. Salamat po sa administrasyon at sa gobyerno sa pondong binigay, sa oras na binigay. At salamat po sa Senado na nagbigay tayo ng time today to honor this team. May I ask also all members of the team to stand up, and I think later on, i-recognize din kayo. But just for the record, Alas Pilipinas, please stand up. And dear colleagues, they will now take a bow. Thank you, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you, Minority Leader.
Thank you very much.
Majority Leader.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Mr. President, I know that Senator Alan and Senator Pia Cayetano, our two distinguished colleagues, played a big hand in hosting this event in the Philippines. And I congratulate them for the next event that's coming up.
Senator Francis Pangilinan is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President, Majority Leader, colleagues. Just a co-sponsorship measure, if I may be allowed. We wish to thank Senators Alan, Senator Bongo, and for having authored this measure. It is true that sports has a way of building bridges rather than walls. And for the record, Mr. President, the Philippine National Volleyball Federation President, the Asia Volleyball League President, and the International Volleyball EVP, Tatsu Sara, was, like me, a member of the UP men's varsity volleyball team. He was ahead by 4 years. Senator Pia Cayetano and I she was member of the UP Maroons women's volleyball team in her freshman year, as I was a member of the men's volleyball team in my freshman year. And I'm very proud. I watched the games. I was amazed at how far our men's volleyball team have come since 20 plus years ago when I was a volleyball player. We hope that this is the beginning of the Philippines not just entering placing number 19, but eventually entering not just the semifinals, but the finals. And with the support of the Senate, and we will commit to supporting as well as best as we can, they can assure, the team can be assured that we are here to cheer them on and support them. And on a personal note as well, I used to be asthmatic, Mr. President. I was exempted from physical education when I was grade 5, but it was volleyball, starting from grade 8 until my senior year in college that helped me overcome what we call now a person with disability. Asthmatics are considered persons with disability, Mr. President, but volleyball took me out of that. For the record, and therefore I join in calling on our colleagues to support this proposed measure. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you, Majority Leader.
Thank you.